going to answer your top essential oil questions so you can get the most out of your oils. Hey guys, welcome back. This is video number 13 in our top 15 essential oil questions video series, and today we're tackling a hot topic. Are essential oils edible? Can you take essential oils internally, and is it safe? Well, let's find out. Many essential oils and plant extracts are generally recognized as safe, GRAS, when used appropriately to flavor foods. I want this to be the biggest takeaway from this video, so let me repeat it again. Many essential oils and plant extracts are generally recognized as safe when used appropriately to flavor foods. I know that a lot of people use essential oils in cooking as a way to ingest them, and this is generally a safe way of ingesting oils because you are using such a small amount of the oil and the oils are being properly diluted in the food. However, the International Federation of Aromatherapists does not recommend that essential oils be taken internally therapeutically unless under the supervision of a medical doctor who is also qualified in clinical aromatherapy. We also get asked all the time which essential oils are edible and which are not. While it's true that some essential oils are edible and some are not, it also depends on how you're using them and what they're mixed with. For example, we don't recommend you drink lemon essential oil in your water because water and essential oils do not mix. However, you could potentially use lemon essential oil safely as a food flavoring, like maybe to make your favorite lemon meringue pie. Okay, now I want pie. And while we also wouldn't recommend ingesting peppermint essential oil or ingesting frankincense essential oil to help medicinally, using peppermint in cooking could give your dessert that extra punch that it needs. We've already discussed how essential oils can safely be used in cooking, but should not be taken internally for medicinal purposes. So, what is the best way to use essential oils for, say, an upset stomach? Peppermint hydrosol sprayed on your pillow can help relieve nausea and is safe to use with kids and pets too. Or choose a blend specifically formulated for helping with the symptoms of an upset stomach, like our Digizen blend. Just dilute Digizen to 5% in your favorite carrier oil and gently massage onto the stomach or abdominal area. This way, you know you're getting safe symptom relief. If you have questions about effective alternatives to ingesting essential oils, or any questions for that matter, please leave them in the comments below so our aromatherapist can help. And be sure to check out more videos from this series and subscribe to keep yourself in the loop when we post new videos.